Good morning students, this is the first video for this week and here I will explain chapter number 3 decimals, where we will study the points such as decimals, different types of decimals, and then comparison of decimals, and then converting of fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. So all of you try to understand. Yes students, this is chapter number 3 decimals for standard 7th. Okay, chapter name is decimals. And what are decimals? First understand this. The numbers expressed in the decimal forms are called decimal number, such as this 2.6, 2.38, 7.69. Where decimal point is used, such number are known as decimal numbers. And it has two parts, whole number part and the decimal part. And the number which lies is given, the part on the left side of the decimal point is the whole number part, and the part on the right side of the whole number, right side of the decimal point is known as decimal part. Such as this is the number 7.69. This is the number. Then 7 is the whole number part and 69 is the decimal part. Okay, because 7 lies on the left side of this point and 9 lies to the right side of this. 69 lies to the right side of this. Okay, then the next it is given decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of decimal gives the number of decimal places. How many digits after the decimal part? This gives the decimal places. Such as this number has two decimal places, 6 and 9, because after the decimal point there is two digits. Okay, if I am writing this 4.329, so it has 3 digits after the decimal, 329. If 6.427, it has also the 3 decimal places, because after the decimal digit there is 3 digits. Okay, now like decimals, you have to understand the like decimal. For understanding like decimal, decimals having the same number of decimal places are called the like decimals. That means their decimal places should be same. It is given such as this 5.69 and 3.25. Both are the like decimals because they have the same decimal places, 2 digits only after the decimal point. So these are decimal like decimals. Same way 6.329 point comma 5.224. This is also, these two numbers are also like decimals. They have the decimal digits 3 digits. It has also 3 digits of decimal. It has also 3 decimal digits. So their decimal places are equal. That means they are like fractions. Yes, now understand the unlike decimals. So you can say that decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Okay, such as in this number examples given here, 5.3, 8.36, 52.689. It has one digit of decimal, it has one decimal place, it has two decimal places, it has 3 decimal places. So they are unlike decimal because the digits after the decimal points are different. Okay, it has 2 decimal digits, it has 1 decimal digits, this number has 2 decimal digits, and this number has 3 decimal digits. Now method of converting a decimal into fraction. Okay, so for converting decimal into fraction, these are the steps that you have to follow. First step is write the given number without the decimal point as the numerator. Okay, second step, at the denominator write 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal places in the number. Okay, then at the last reduce the number into simplest form, reduce the fraction into simplest form. So this way you can do. If suppose that number is given 36.29, then write the number without decimal at the numerator. At the denominator write 1 and then after that number of zeros, then after that zeros only. And how many zeros? It is equal to the number of decimal places. Write as many zeros as the number of decimal places. There is 2 decimal places, 2 and 9, so 2 zeros only. Next, if number is given 0.24, then it has also 24 by 100. Now convert in simplest form. It is not divisible, it is already simplest form. Now 24 by 100 you can divide 4 into 6 times, 4 into 25 times. So 6 by 25 is the simplest form. Then if number is given 2.25, this number is given, okay, 2.254 or 9, then write that 2259. Now this decimal point you have removed, then downside write 1. If decimal point removed, then downside write 1, and after that see how many decimal digits are there. 3 digits, then 3 zeros. Then see if numerator and denominator is divisible, then divide. Here not divisible, then that is only simplest form. So this way you can convert. If next number is given 4.5, then you can write that 45 by 1, 45 by 10. This one decimal point remove, then write downside 1, and after that how many decimal digits? 1 decimal digit, then 1 0. Cut 5 into 9 times, you can cut 5 into 2 times, the number is 9 by 2. Yes, now after converting this number into fraction, you can convert into mixed fraction. This is what? 2 into 4 times 4 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 2. Next, this number you can see, if this is given 3.25, write without decimal 325, decimal point removed, then downside 1. After that how many decimal digits? 2 decimal digits, there are 2 decimal places, then 2 0. Now cut that 25 into 4 times, 25 into 13 times it will cut only. You can in the table of 25 only, then 13 by 4. Now you convert it into mixed fraction. This will come 4 into 3 times 1 remainder, so 3 whole 1 by 4. It is 3 whole 1 by 4. So this way you can convert decimal numbers into mixed fraction. Now converting, next term is converting fractions into decimal. Fractions into decimal. If number is given this 25 by 8, this number is given, then divide numerator by the denominator. This is numerator, divide the numerator 25 by the denominator 8. And 8 into 3 times 24. Okay, then you will write 1 remainder. Okay, then point right, then 1 0 will come. If you write this decimal point, then here you can place 1 0. Then 8 into 1 times 8, 2 remainder. Okay, 2 remainder, then you will write here 0. Again this decimal point will give 0 after every subtraction. Okay, here subtraction done, then 0 given, here also 0 given. After this subtraction, 8 subtracted from 10, then you will do 8 into 2 times 16, then 4. Again this will give 0, this decimal point. Again after this subtraction, 16 subtracted from 20, then 8 into 5 times 40. So remainder is 0 now. So unless remainder is not 0, you have to divide to convert into decimal. So this number is 3.125. Now if the number is 17 by 20, then this 17 numerator, divide this number 17 by 20, and 20 into, it is not divisible, then point you will give, then 1 0 will come. 20 into 8 times 160, then 10 is remainder, then is after subtracting 10 is coming, then 1 0 again it will give, and 20 into 5 times 100. then then after that remainder is 0 only. This you can write 0.85. So the number is 0.85. Okay, 0.85. Now the next point is here, that converting the decimals into like decimals. So for this, what you will do, so if the number is given 6.5, 17.04, 0.392, then maintain the same decimal digits. Okay, that means decimal places should be same, then only it is like decimal. Write this number 6.500 because it has 3 digits of decimal. This 17.040, now it is 0.392. Now this is the like decimals. These are the like decimals, you can see 6.500, 17.040, 3.92. If one number is given, suppose that 17.3962, 4 digits, and it has 15.21, then you have to write that this 15.2100, 2 digits, and here also 17.3962. So these 3962, 4 digits, 4 decimal places, here also 4 decimal places. Then now they are like decimals. Now see the comparing fractions. Okay. Comparing decimals. Sorry. How to compare the decimals? If number is given this 42, if this number is given 42.79 and this is 13.93, then you have to compare this 42 is the whole number part, and here 13 is the whole number part, number written on the left side, and 79 is the decimal part, and 93 is the decimal part in this number. Then clearly this 42 whole 79 is greater. First compare the whole number part. Greater whole number part decimal number is greater. Okay, and if in case the decimal whole number part is 7, same 42 whole 79, and this is given 42.62, then 42 and 42 whole number part is same, then compare the decimal part, and in decimal part first compare this 10th digit. 10th digit 7 is greater than 6, so it is greater. But if number is given this 42 point, suppose this number only I am giving 7, okay, and 9, and then you see that 42.73 written, then if whole number part 42 same, the 10th digit is 7 and 7, this is also same, then compare the 100th digit. This 9 is greater than 3, the 100th digit 9 is greater than 3, then in that case also 42.79 is greater than 42.73, and so on. After that 1000th digit, if 100th digit is also same, then compare 100th digit, 1000th digit of both the numbers, this way. One more example, see that 5.7 is greater than 5.4. Here whole number is same, whole 5 and 5, but the decimal digits, the 10th digit 7 is greater than the 10th digit 4. Okay, so this way you can understand which is greater. Next is expressing as rupees. Suppose that it is given 9 paise, then 9 paise is equals to 9 by 100 rupees, because 100 paise equals to 1 rupee, so you will write that 0.09 rupees, because you know that 100 paise equals to 1 rupees. Okay, so 100 paise equals to 1 rupees, therefore you can divide with 100. Next is expressing as rupees. For that it is given 9 paise. Then 9 paise is equals to 9 by 100 rupees, because 100 paise equals to 1 rupee, so you will write that 0.09 rupees, because you know that 100 paise equals to 1 rupees, equals to 1 rupee. Since 100 paise equals to 1 rupee, that's why 9 paise equals to 9 by 100 rupees. So to convert into rupees, divide with 100. Okay. Then homework is this, chapter number 3, exercise 3A from R.S. Agarwal book, question number 1 to 7, and NCERT exercise 2.5, question number 1 and 2. Thank you all of you.